Hello everyone and welcome to another class of Kubernetes cluster. Today in this class we are going to create a cluster or deploying a Kubernetes cluster. So Kubernetes cluster can be deployed using a Google console, command line in a cloud shell and your local environment if all the cloud SDKs are installed. So we are using a Google Cloud platform or console, so we require to create a cluster. So let's create a cluster. In this Kubernetes engine, we are creating a cluster. So either you want to clone an existing cluster or you create a standard cluster. So let's create a standard cluster. Here you can see you will be built for 3 nodes virtual machines in your cluster. So what is your name? Standard cluster 1. Location is zonal. US Center 1A I have selected. Master version because we had discussed one is a master and another one. Nodes pool. Number of nodes you want to create 3. Machine type. Standard one. We can customize this. We can add a node pool if you want, or availability, networking, security and additional features. If you want to change this, you can. Let's create with the default configuration. So we are creating a cluster. So standard cluster 1 is your cluster and total memory. Now it is creating. You can filter this here. If you want to create another cluster, you can create this with this option. Cluster size 6. Number of vCPUs. Yes. So it is now created. If you want to create a cluster, another cluster, we can do with this also, like this. Now next is workloads. Deploy, manage and scale containers powered by Google Cloud. We can deploy this. So workloads, let's deploy application pods. Once you have created a cluster, you can deploy an applications. So Kubernetes works with containerized application packed into a hardware independent, for example Docker. These containers are collectively called as workload for creation of a deployment. So it works with these applications and you require a Docker images. In this, the containers are collectively known as workloads. And select this. If you want to filter out, you can. So from this, you can create a deployment. Thank you.